An arrest has been made tonight in possible connection with a variety of assaults and damage to vehicles in the Basher Drive trailhead in Anchorage this week. There have been at least 3 incidents along that trailhead since Monday, including accounts of rocks being thrown at hikers, slashed tires, alleged threats by an axe-wielding man in the woods. Other similar assaults have happened within a few miles of that trailhead, including an Anchorage Assembly member who says a man was throwing rocks at her and her husband at Chugach Foothills Park on Tuesday. Hiker Jessica Feenstra says she found 3 vehicles with slashed tires, including her own, yesterday in the parking lot of the Basher trailhead.
I was pretty frustrated and angry last night, but it's also like, what can you do? The only thing you can do is change your tire and try to warn other people about coming to this trailhead.
Anchorage police say they don't believe there's a connection between the Basher Drive trailhead assaults and a homicide near Campbell Airstrip Road in May.